Our recipe for today looks amazing. Come on and see how to prepare it. Prepare the following: 200 grams ham, sliced to squares. 100 grams bacon, sliced to size as shown. 1 head garlic chopped. 1 piece onion chopped. 400 grams pasta, cook according to its own instruction. Heat pan for medium heat and sprinkle small amount of oil. Put the bacon and allow to release oil. If you don't eat pork bacon, you can substitute it to beef bacon. Flavor will still be amazing. As you can see, the bacon has less fat and the oil are already out. Remove the bacon. Let us use the oil from the bacon. Start by adding the chopped garlic on the pan. Sauté for around 1 minute. Keep fire for medium heat. And I will really appreciate if you can hit the like button on the below. After the garlic release fragrance, add the onion. Wait until onion is translucent. Please note that this recipe is a Filipino-style carbonara and will definitely different to Italian carbonara. Let us add in sliced ham. You can replace ham with chicken meat. Allow it to cook for a few minutes. I have here 1 chicken broth cubes for flavoring. We need to put 500 milliliters cream. Let us pour the 250 milliliters evaporated milk. Add little water on the cream carton to finish the remains from inside carton. Add ground black pepper. Bring to boil by adjusting the heat. Add mushrooms. Salt to taste. Get 1 tablespoon dried parsley. Mix well and simmer for a few minutes. The sauce is done and let us remove it from the heat. We will now prepare to serve. Pour it on the prepared pasta. Fans of white pasta will surely enjoy this recipe. This is really a simple recipe and it might vary to some. But still using cream and milk on carbonara is the Filipino way. Sprinkle the bacon bits on top. Add grated cheese on top to add more flavor to the pasta. Add fresh parsley on top to make this dish so appetizing. Enjoy your simple Pinoy Carbonara. For you, what is your favorite pasta? Comment your answer below. Full ingredients list will flash on the screen. Hope you like our recipe for today. This pasta will sure be a hit. Make it a try and share it to your family and friends. Please visit my Facebook page, you can click it from the description box below. I hope you could have few minutes to visit and follow it. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and I will really appreciate if you consider to like and comment on my video.